Age comes with its highs and lows, but one of the most undesirable effects of aging remains joint pain. Bone and articulation degeneration are unavoidable, but there are a few ways to delay their effects for a time, or even relieve their symptoms and outcome, the nagging pain that keeps you from feeling at your best. One of these ways is eating healthy and having a balanced diet that postpones wearing and tearing in your connective tissues and cartilages. The main reason bones, joints, and articulations are prone to deterioration is the pressure they are put under every day, so it's very important to investigate what are the underlying reasons of your symptoms and treat them as soon as possible. To avoid the development of joint pain, or manage it if it's already there, try introducing these next 8 foods into your diet. Number 1. Spices and herbs. From the multitude of spices and aromatic herbs that make our food tastier and flavorful, choose as often as you can some of the following: coriander, lemon, turmeric, ginger, onions, dill. They have amazing anti-inflammatory properties that relieve pain and swelling. Number 2. Yogurt. Besides its natural, healthy amount of calcium, which strengthens the bones, yogurt also has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that have a huge impact on the healing and repairing of cartilages, the ones that suffer the most if you lack vitamin D and calcium. Number 3. Millets. Those that suffer from joint inflammation should avoid grains and foods that have lots of flour, but millets and buckwheat contain quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties, so it's excellent for their diet. Number 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Foods like nuts, fish, eggs and dairy are very rich in omega-3, which not only boosts the effectiveness of anti-inflammatory medicine, but also helps with stiffness that comes after the long repose that most office workers feel at the end of the day or after intense physical effort. Number 5. Fruits and berries. Cell-damaging free radicals can be countered by eating foods that contain lots of antioxidants. That's why fruits are perfect for those with arthritis. Cranberries, apricots, apples and strawberries are very good for inflamed joints, but grapefruit and oranges can make the pain worse, so avoid them. Number 6. Green veggies. Sulforaphane is a compound that slows cartilage damage in joints, and it can be found in vegetables like cabbage, broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Other vegetables that help with inflammation and joint pain are cauliflower and kale, so introduce them into every meal in the form of a side dish. Number 7. Soy beans. If you don't really like fish but still want those omega-3 fatty acids, try eating foods made out of soy, like tofu and edamame, which are also low in fat. Soybeans are great for rheumatoid arthritis since they are very high in protein and fiber, so your health can only benefit from consuming them. Number 8. Oils. The symptoms of osteoarthritis can be relieved by consuming olive oil, walnut oil, and safflower oil because they contain oleocanthal, which has similar properties to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. They can also lower your cholesterol, so try them from time to time. Your diet contributes to your health very much, so use this to your advantage and make your body respond positively to your food choices. Try to avoid eating sugar and cereals too often, since they are the prime suspects when it comes to joint pain and articulation issues. Besides a healthy diet, don't forget that exercise is a must if you want to build a strong resistance, so try to at least walk once a day for 30 minutes. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more healthy tips and tricks, click subscribe and leave a comment with what you want to see next.